Did you know that a blue whale's heart is the size of a small car and weighs about 400 pounds? A human could literally swim through its arteries. Despite being the largest animal to ever exist on Earth, they eat tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill up to 4 tons a day. They communicate with songs that can be heard up to 1,000 miles away underwater. Even stranger, whales evolved from land animals that walked on 4 legs and decided to return to the sea. If you feel small next to these giants, hit the like button and subscribe for more massive facts.